Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Brain. My name is Sam, and in this video, I will show you how to change your age on TikTok. Open the TikTok application and navigate to the settings. Check both the account and privacy sections to see if there is an option to change your age. If not, proceed to the next step. Open the TikTok application again and tap on your profile icon located in the bottom right corner. Tap on the three lines in the top right corner to access the menu. Select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Report a Problem. Choose Account and Profile and then select Editing Profile. Tap on Other. Next, tap on Need More Help. In the text box, explain your issue. I need to update my birthday info on the profile. The birth date I have entered is incorrect. I can't provide my ID card to prove my birth date. Please help me resolve this issue about my TikTok birth date. Thanks a lot. Submit your report. TikTok support will review your request, and they will help you update your birth date accordingly. That is it. Thank you very much for watching. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.